Hello, greetings, good day, salutations to the beings. Yes, you, a being. You're here to be, and you have purpose. Purpose is interwoven within you, you know? They say, made in the image of the Creator. Well, let's make something. Let's make something. Let's you and I make something. We like to make things, and we make things in our image. Doesn't mean it necessarily looks like us, though. Think about the last song you wrote, the last, you know, cake you might have baked. Did it look like you? Popsicle sticks, the last science fair project you did with the kids. Did it look like you? Not really, but it did reflect your style, your taste, your philosophy. It was a reflection of you. So the things that we create are a reflection of us. And the example I like to use is the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, who doesn't love a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Assuming you're not allergic to peanut butter. When I make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, it has a purpose. I'm hungry. If I make anything, it typically has a purpose. So there's a purpose built into the things I make, and there's a purpose built into the things you make as well. In addition to that purpose, there's a passion. There's a hunger there. Not just with the peanut butter and jelly, but when I get to designing, there's a passion because I love it. We love to do the things we do, especially when we're creating things we love, our hobbies, using our gift. So there's passion in it. Oh yeah, peanut butter jelly time, baby. And a little bit of philosophy because everyone does it differently. That's right. My peanut butter and jelly sandwich has just enough jelly to help the peanut butter go down. Slide it down. My philosophy is built into my sandwich. And you see the philosophy of that in vehicles and cars and in architecture. The designer, the creator, their philosophy is in the creation. So let's go back to you, because you're a marvelous creation. Yes, you are. You're just marvelous. And I know your parents came together and did some things. I guess there's the science that's involved with it. But outside of that, there's something else, that creation that makes you unique. And there's a purpose in that. There's a passion in there, and there's a philosophy. Take what I just said. Just like there's purpose in my peanut butter and jelly, there's purpose in you on your mere creation. You are purpose. You were made for a purpose. Just because you don't know the purpose doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. Because you're a creation. And all creations have purpose. And all creations are made with a passion. Made with a passion. There's a desire somewhere. And I love this because this, to me, this is bigger than God loves me, We tell the kids God loves them. God loves us all. But before God could love you, God had to strongly desire your existence. God had to strongly want you here, bringing you forth for your purpose. What? That's you. Uniquely you. And you may doubt it now, but I have confidence because in you are the principles of the universe. What? Even the golden me, come on. Spread your arms out wide, your wingspan, that's your height, come on. The principles of the universe are in you. The universe had a passion to bring you forth. And you are the living purpose. Take that today and run with it. That's my gift to you. Love someone today. Go get it. Everyone's a leader in this thing, man. In their area of function. Go and function. You got this. Peace.